Okay, guys, we are going to create a free logo using Adobe Express. Agree to continue. I've already opened it. Let's search the template logo. Let's click on the free ones. We don't want to pay for it. And seems like ridiculous to me. Nothing eye-catching. All boring stuff. Okay. Just let's try to make a more precise search. And still boring logos. Nothing related to tech, I guess. Maybe it's dumb and it doesn't understand technology logo. And yes, it doesn't. Very bad experience as compared to Canva. I think we should move over to Canva. Okay, here let me show you. And let us start our logo on Canva. Create a design. I want to create a logo. Okay, 500 by 500. That's fine with me. Okay, I already searched technology, so it's showing me lots of good logo technology logos I can use on my new channel. I really like the blue color, and this one seems so much pleasing to the eyes. Let's check one more before we finally select. What about this one? It's so simple and show us. I love the circle designs. This one is also technology related, but too colorful. No, blue is for technology. Blue color goes with that. This is also good. And the circuits, oh my god. Let's try renaming it with our channel name. It's technology villa, so make technology go up, villa go down. What about the W? Should we press it P, or we can delete it simply? Maybe I can put it over here. Ta-da! I like it, but it would be a very big logo. We want a small round sort of logo, so I think this would do go. This would do good. Technology already written just right. Villa down. Okay, let's keep it simple and try to create it. Just click on download. I will show you all pages. I want to download this logo only. Done. Download. A premium content. When did I select the premium content? Oh god, try convert for free. How can I do that? No way. No way. Damn it. Okay, let's go with the free version. I really like it, but again premium. Oh my god, I really wanted a premium one. It said premium pro here. This wasn't the premium one. How can I know if I'm selecting a premium one or not? That's wrong. It will take ages. So anyone I select will be said as premium one. Okay. Okay, finally. This one was not premium. Save it. How does it look? Can we customize it more? Size, transparent background, premium version, compressed file, lower quality, premium. Oh, okay, these are the premium versions. I wanted a transparent one, but let's start with this one. Okay, let's head over back to the channel and select this one, technology villa. Okay, done. Ta-da! Good. You can buy the premium versions and get a better logo, but I'm okay with it for the time being. Click on the, don't forget to click on the publish. You must change here. Changes published, logo still not updating. Let the force refresh on the page, control F5. Still not showing. Okay. Maybe it will show when I'll shut off the browser and system and wake up in the morning and check it again. For the time being, let's end this video here.